Guys, it's Phil Town, and I want to share with you the #1 strategy to thrive during any market condition. This has been working for 85 years, and spoiler alert, it's not hard, okay? As many of you guys know, I've been value investing for over 30 years. I certainly wasn't born wealthy, nowhere close. I started with a measly $1,000, and I grew it into over $1 million in 5 years using these important value investing principles. I've also built a portfolio that's thrived during 3 recessions, and I've written 3 New York Times best-selling books about it. And I've championed value investing as a commentator on networks like CNBC, NBC, MSNBC, Yahoo Money. I've been doing that for the last 20 years. And let me tell you guys, despite all the emotion, the excitement, and the energy that surrounds the stock market, it's not that hard to make a lot of money investing. It isn't rocket science by any means. You only need to know a few fundamental things to start doubling the returns of your traditional investment portfolio in about half the time. During my 3-day virtual investing workshop, I'm going to show you guys how to choose those bulletproof companies that thrive whether the market's going up or down. It's a huge important thing that we're going to own companies. I'm going to show you how to find the true value of a company that you own, which is really different than its price often. And we're going to use the same strategies that made people like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger their billions of dollars. So I'll also show you how and when to buy companies on sale. Because listen, nothing beats the experience of my live 3-day transformational investing workshop for sure. But if you can't make it out to that, then I'll bring the workshop to you. It's that important that you learn this stuff. You're gonna work with my expertly trained rule #1 coaches, and you're gonna chat with a team of fellow investors as we guide you to master the powerful basics of this strategy. Value investing helped me grow $1,000 into a multi-million-dollar portfolio, and it can help you do the same thing. You guys, now is the time to learn these things, because when the market does correct itself, and it will, and probably very soon, you're gonna wanna be out there with, as Buffett says, a wash tub, not a thimble, buying excellent companies at deeply discounted prices. That's the whole game, and it's gonna happen really soon. So get in here and let's learn this now. I'm really looking forward to having you join us. Now go play.